Hello BookTube, Tim here with another episode of Tim's Reads. This will be a short one because I decided I'll keep them like that now on because I tend to change my mind on what I want to read. After I finish one book, I might decide on something else, or like I'll go to the library and check out some books, so I'll read those books. This first book I'm going to show you is one I started yesterday, which is a library book. I'll start show you it now. That's Extreme Denial by David Morrell. David Morrell is the author that wrote First Blood. You know, he's the one that's the one with Ramo and Sylvester Stallone starred in the movie. Well, anyway, in Extreme Denial, it's about as far as I've read the first part in it, or part one of it. It's with Steve Decker. He's anti-terrorist expert, and he's goes to Italy to check on an agent that's in charge of an operation for the in charge of the anti-terrorist operation for the first time, and Steve just is sent over to check on him, and while Steve's over there, everything goes wrong, and Steve ends up getting blamed for it when it was actually this other agent that did everything wrong, and he blamed Steve for everything. But this other agent's dad was high level in the government and stuff, and so they took. This other agent had his dad's word over Steve's, so Steve decides to retire, and that's or resigns, and that's all the further I've gotten into the book so far. And when and also, see, I suffer from chronic migraines, and I have light sensitivity issues, and sometimes the problems are bad enough where I can't have a light on in the room. So when that happens, if I can read, I'll usually read something like on my Kindle, and that's what I'm doing now. This is another one I started yesterday. It's the Craig Kennedy Scientific Detective Mega Pack. It's 25 classic tales of detection. I'll put one of these stories in here is are in the public domain, and most of these stories are Craig Kennedy or related stories. The Craig Kennedy ones are all written by Arthur B. Reeve, and at one and he wrote them in the early 1900s, like in the and he at one point he was called the American Sherlock Holmes. So he uses science to solve crimes, but he's also a college professor. And this book, I noticed in the printed form that it's over 4,000 pages long, so I'll be taking time to read it. So I'll be reading it for a good while. I'll be reading it along with other books, but that's how I'm. And I'll this in this Craig Kennedy one that they said in the introduction, and the editors said that around all these stories are pretty much pulp stories, which the paperback chunky would probably like. Well, that's all I have for this time. Until next time, take it easy and keep on reading.